what do I like most about working in manufacturing? So, I like manufacturing because there is a lot of opportunities for entry-level positions. We can honestly say that you can walk in as a general labor worker and walk out as a welder, and that's honestly pretty awesome.
The reason I love manufacturing is because it's a great environment with a lot of great people, and you learn something new every day.
Everything you interact with is manufactured. And I'm proud of being able to take raw materials such as this and making it into a complete product.
I'm proud for welding for manufacturing here is because, one, I have a passion for welding, and two, I see that our trucks out in society, we're building America one truck at a time.
One of the main reasons why I like manufacturing is because it's hands-on and we build from the ground up. I couldn't have picked a better place to plant my roots, and that's with Shyft Group. I work with a bunch of good guys, I have a good team, and I know at the end of the day what goes out that door we've all had a part in it. So I'm happy to be a part of this.